Ito na yung kailangan maging maingat sila pagpasok ng third and fourth quarter.
Yeah, for Arellano, what they want, what Coach Chico Manabat wants, ay magkaroon ng leader for their second half, lalo na doon sa fourth quarter. And for LPU, tingnan natin kung magiging maganda rin yung closeout as we start our third quarter here sa laban ng Arellano at LPU. Guadagna, now Barba with the ball. Montaño again, 7 to shoot. Great find, great cut by Baclaud Guadagna.
Nice execution by the LPU Pirates.
Basil Valencia, Geronimo, Dre Miller, sabi niya sakit lang, Pungotan. Tingnan natin kung magiging mas maganda ang kanyang second half after that buzzer beating putback. Pinoya with a fadeaway. No good.
Titingnan natin kung same play ang igagawin ng LPU. Kumupunta sila sa staggards, okay, backpicks, staggards. Hinahanap nila yung shooters nila. Pero kailangan nila maging maingat. Magaling din mag-anticipate ang Arellano Chiefs.
There was a steal there by Basti Valencia. As we see this caught by Baclaud Guadagna, scoring off an assist from Montaño. Ganda namang
ganda ng play. Actually, yun nga, sabi ko siya, nag-start ng staggered, then bibigyan ng backpick papunta sa post yung mga, even yung small. Meron silang small man na kaya rin pumoste.
As Arellano now down by 3 here after the Baclaud layoff. Valencia.
Ganda naman nun. Umiiwas sa traffic no?
Now Valencia with 9 points. Umusan niya na yung last game sa output niya. 6 points lang siya on their game against Letran. Almost a great pass for Ato Barba, pero si Aviles medyo nahuli sa pasa.
Maganda yung intention ni Barba, hindi lang naka-ready si Aviles.
Ongotan, dire-diretso. Ongotan nagtitipes. Rebound here by LPU. Montaño nagdadala. Now Baclaud, Barba. Point center na rin pala. Ito si Montaño. As Ongotan will get this ball for the Arellano. Geronimo. Magmimintes, bumalik para kay Geronimo.
Pag ang backcourt mo, si Ongotan at Geronimo, talagang ang energy napakataas. Hindi ka talaga, takbo ng takbo.
That basket by Geronimo gives Arellano the lead, 48-47. Baclaud, nakawala. Great defense by Timac Ongotan. At bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy, meron na naman tayong report from Bianca Alejandre. Bianca.
Mga kapuso, despite hardships, the Arellano Chiefs remind us that greatness is not just about winning, it is about making every setback a stepping stone for future success. And now the Chiefs are leaving everything on court with a mindset team on embodying their coach's reminders. Paalala pa ni Coach Chico Manabat, kailangan namin matapos yung winning moment sa endgame dahil kapag hindi pa namin ito makukuha, mababaon kami. Despite facing a deficit, the charismatic Chiefs refuse to back down. Will they be able to turn this game around with the clock ticking its final minutes? Let's hear your thoughts, Nico and Ralph.
Thank you, Bianca, for that report. As itong Arellano now leading para 50-49.
Palitan lang ng lamang,
LPU with the ball. Sasayaw, Dre Miller will be called for a foul. Too aggressive itong si Dre on that defense against Greg Cunanan. That's the third personal foul on Dre Miller.
Kailangan mag-ingat na si Miller. Usually nga, ang third foul, pag nakuha mo sa third quarter, pagka maingat yung coach, iuupo ka na niyan
14 seconds ang binigay ulit para rito sa LPU as Montaño sinking another 3.
Iba rin to si Montaño. Kaya niya ring stretch yung floor. Ika-12 point na yan ni Montaño.
Ongotan, gives it to Geronimo. Anong tawag dito? Foul ang bibigay. against Montaño. After sinking that 3, ito naman si Montaño. Foul naman ang binigay dito sa kabila. Binoya with a spin, drives, no missing, everything but the shot. But Ongotan once again
energy,
is
grabe
there.
T-Mac na eh, T-Mac.
Sabi ni T-Mac Ongotan, Binoya, tumira ka lang. I'll clean it up for you.
Nagkakabaliktad sila ng trabaho.
Montaño with a fadeaway. Mintis lang doon as Binoya gets another board. Tatakbo si Dre Miller. Dre will try to shoot! A jump shot and foul! Tumila pa sa kanyang tatay. Nakita natin yun.
Akala ko bad shot na eh, no? Nandun yung defense, pero kaya niya pa rin tumira kahit may better offense pa rin ang ginawa ni Miller.
And look at this spin by Binoya. But good thing, T-Mac Ongotan is there once again to clean up his mess.
Oo, tinanong niya si Dahilig, anong height mo, Dahilig?
And this jump shot by Dre Miller. Nakatalikod, pero nakita natin yun. Tumila kay Willie Miller. Who's in the building, by the way? Ang ating the trimmer.
Legend yan, legend. Idol natin yan, Willie Miller.
Idol ng marami. Sabi nga, pag si Willie Miller ang naglalaro, di ba? Easy lang, basic lang ang basketball. Malamang, tinuro niya kay Dre. As we're seeing here, there's a review kung i-upgrade ba. Baka ano kasi, landing spot.
Correct, may additional penalty pa
Ayun.
yun, Anspo.
Unsportsmanlike.
Number 7, McLeod Guadagna.
Si McLeod Guadagna.
Extra possession yan para sa Arellano Chiefs.
Yeah, you have to give that space for the shooter, Coach Ralph, kapag mga ganun.
Ang hirap din kasi parang akala natin pa-fade away na si Dre. Pero pagka-challenge nila, siguro may extra paa na natapakan to.
Let's see if Dre, completing. At bola pa ng mga taga-Arellano, ha? They're now up by 3 here, 55-52 with 6 and 14 seconds remaining. That's the 9th point of Dre. Ongotan, nasa ilalim na naman. Time out na. Ang tinawag ng LPU as they are down by 5. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa NCAA Season 100.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are. Bumiting sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow.
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time, ang tagal sa ere. Hinintay mo nang bumaba. And may kasama pang foul.
At pumasok na. Doon diretso.
Sayang.
May content na sana. Are. Wow! Over the outstretched arm.
Led by this guy, T-Mac Ongotan, and also this guy, Dre Miller, Coach Ralph.
Muntik, 9 points na yung dalawang yan. Miller and Ongotan. Kita nga natin si T-Mac Ongotan. Ang scores niya hindi nanggaling dun sa mga plays. Talagang tinatrabaho niya. Kukuha siya ng offensive rebound and a putback. Nakita natin, nag-end siya ng halftime. Foul counted, pero offensive rebound yun. Ang hirap. Ako ba, hindi siya tinatamad nang wala siyang bola. He just keeps on moving. Keep me aggressive. Every possession, nandun siya.
Kaya kung ikaw yung LPU, right now, you have to find kung nasan ito nga si T-Mac Ongotan para hindi ka maangatan.
Correct, oo. Hindi ka pwedeng lumingat kay Ongotan.
Now LPU with the ball here. Barba. Now the Ileg. 6 minutes remaining. Sa ating third quarter. McLeod Guadagna still with 2 points only in this game. The Ileg from the three, no good. Agawa sa bola. Dre Miller and Ato Barba on the floor. You love the hustle from the guys. Ito yung tira ni Barba rito. Pero mawawala. Dre Miller. Look at the hustle of Dre Miller. Parang nagpapakitang gilas yata.
Nandito si daddy niya eh. Kailangan talaga, baka mapagalitan pag-uwi.
Iyon yung sinasabi ni Coach Chico Manabat kanina for Dre Miller. Kailangan hanapin yung goal niya. Ang role niya is facilitator, but right now, he's scoring. As Daileg, nilipad, pero maglilitis doon. Arellano with the ball.
Unti-unti na lumalayo ang Arellano. Ang question, paano nila isusustain?
Binoya, na-accidenting paso yun ah. Binoya, fakes, gives it to Miller, jumps, missing. Hinahanap natin si Ongotan, nasan na? Andun sa ilalim, yun lang, nakuha ng iba. Ato Barba, pick by Montaño. Barba, mawawalan ng bola rito.
Kailangan maging aggressive kasi ngayon ni Barba. No? Medyo nawawala na ng mga point of attack itong Lyceum. So, yun yung pinipili siguro pakita ni Barba ngayon.
Halfway through our third quarter, Arellano still leading here by 7. As LPU gets a stop here.
Yes, nakakuha sila ron sa 2-2-1 na full court nila. Malamang ituloy ulit niya yun.
McLeod tries to give it to the corner but anticipated by the Arellano defense.
Yes, ang bibilis ng paa ng Arellano eh. Hindi ka pwede magbigay ng mga loop passes, slow passes. Talagang anticipate ng Arellano yan.
Substitution muna tayo. Valencia will sit down. Ang ipapalit itong si Borromeo. Kunanan.
May height advantage tayo. May height advantage dito si ano?
Si Montaño.
Montaño.
Ang haba kasi nito si Montaño. No?
Nagpalit na sila ng bantay. Mukhang kukuha si Binoya kay ano, Montaño.
I like the upside itong si Montaño. Kanina nakita natin, point center. Talagang kaya magbaba ng bola nitong si Montaño.
At tumitira rin ng 3 points.
Now, Guadagna, 8 to shoot for the red shirt.
So switch. It's either ISO or posto kay Montaño.
Binigay pa kay Montaño, 2 seconds sa abot.
Oh, sayang. Ganda ng rotation ng Arellano eh.
Arellano, fast break, Miller gives it and scoring!
Iba rin yung jeans kasi neto.
LPU now down by 9 as another miss mula sa mga nakapula. Ongotan with the ball.
Kailangan maging composed ng Lyceum ngayon. Baka mukhang nagwa-wild na sila dahil nga nakukuha ng Arellano yung lamang.
Arellano University with a 27-7 run. Grabe ang ginagawa nito mga taga-Arellano as Barba. Ganda rin ang depensa, coach.
Ganda. Every time na merong mismatches, merong kagad naka-ready humelp sa kanila eh.
As Ongotan missing from the corner.
They're really helping each other sa defense. Yun ang kagandahan sa ginagawa ng Arellano ngayon.
LPU needs to relax. Medyo mahaba-haba na ang tinatakbo nitong mga taga-Arellano. Daileg ng Kunanan. Montaño from the 3. Still can't go.
At least that's a good shot.
Ongotan once again.
At least that's a good shot, no? Coming from post kay Barba, swing, open.
Binoya. Mangangalabaw. Iyon lang. Foul ang tinawag. Si Binoya mabagal. Pero malakas ang pangatawan, coach.
Correct eh. Para mga Jokic to eh. Mga malalaking big na matalino. Very skilled. He can shoot from the outside. He can dribble. He can back in.
As we saw that shot by Andre Miller. What can we say na Miller leading the charge for this third quarter, coach?
Yes eh. Baka siya na nga hinahanap ni Coach Chico ngayon. Ang ano lang challenge sa kanila ngayon is dalhin nila tong energy nila, composure nila papunta sa fourth quarter. Pero pinapahinga na nga para sa fourth quarter.
First shot for Binoya at the free throw line is good. Binoya, isa rin sa talagang inaasahan sa larong ito. Former LPU Pirates, Binoya sinking 2 shots from the free throw line.
That's his 14th point. Ilan ba yung career high niya? 16?
16.
2 points na lang. Tatablan niya na yung career high niya.
This is the largest lead for the Arellano Chiefs. 63-52. A 29-7 run.
Na-anticipate na yung backdoor ngayon ng LPU. Kanina pa nila ginagawa yan, pero ngayon anticipated na.
A great defense once again from Arellano. Kapulong is back in the game. Kinubad na ang kanyang sleeves. Kapulong, wala pa rin doon.
Tagal na iupo ni Kapulong, ano?
Tatakbo na ang LPU.
Good help again by Arellano.
Great defense once again.
Ganda ng depensa ng Arellano. Every time meron nabibit sa, meron kagad challenge to help.
Ito maninigurado. Timeout muna ang Arellano Chiefs. Magbabalik tayo dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
Sama-sama, dahil together, we own the future.
Forward pressure, which kilala talaga tong team na to dyan sa ganyang depensa. Ryan Sahonia, his first shot as a Sunbetter Red Lion in the NCAA. The best shooting three-point team in the NCAA. Sahonia, baseline drive, Sahonia, short, Sahonia! Wow!
We welcome you back here sa ating NCAA Season 100. At makikita natin, Francisco Paulino Caico, NCAA Policy Board member from Arellano University. Magandang hapon po. Maligayang panonood. Malamang, happy yan.
Lumalaki yung lamang nila ngayon. Lumalayo sila unti-unti sa Lyceum.
And once again, Arellano Chiefs up by 11, 63-52 against the LPU Pirates with 2 minutes and 32 seconds here remaining in this third quarter for crowd.
Ang ganda kasi ng ginagawa ng Arellano yan. Every time na meron na bibit sa kanila sa defense, meron kagad tumutulong sa kanila eh.
And let's see if LPU can find an answer in this Arellano run.
Nice help
Great
again.
defense once again mula rito sa Arellano. Look at the dive. Look at the hustle of these guys from Arellano Chiefs.
Yes, nakikita natin yung body language ng Arellano. Parang pinapakita nila na mas gusto nila ngayon. Mas gusto nila kunin talaga tong game na to.
And look at that swarming defense mula kay Kapulong at Hernal. At alam niyo yun, kahit malayo na, talagang hinahabol pa ng mga taga-Arellano. LPU with 10 to shoot. Peñafiel missing once again from the 3.
Kailangan maging matalino ng Lyceum sa pagpili ng mga tira nila.
Arellano will try to add more sa kanilang lamang. Kapulong sa ilalim. Great shot.
Ganda ng galaw, no? Sayang, hindi na-convert.
Mintis lang para rito kay Lawrence Kapulong. Aviles with the ball here. Will try to hand off kay Villegas. Hindi na ibigay. Villegas susubok sa labas. Villegas finally answering the call for LPU.
Ganda ng down pick kay Villegas, kaya siya na-open. Kapag ganun mga tinitira nilang shot selection.
Abiera. 1 minute, 30 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Borromeo, lilipad, mintis doon. Ito ng LPU. Villegas scored a 3-pointer before this possession. They're down 63-55. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Villegas, a 5-0 run.
Mukhang dalawang beses na nila pinuntahan si Villegas at Aviles dito sa ball screen handoff, pick and roll. That's his 10th point of Villegas.
It's a personal run para rito ay Villegas trying nabuhatin kahit pa paano itong LPU sa third quarter na ito. Kamay gives it to Borromeo. And now Abiera from the 3, mintes dito. 44 seconds. Villegas pa rin ang bola.
Yes, 3 possessions pa itong naiiwan ngayon.
15 to shoot for the red shirt. The A-leg. Sino nga hanapin? Now Villegas 8 to shoot.
Mainit eh.
Let's see if he can continue, but gives it to Aviles from the 3. Just can't get it.
Last shot
Arellano
for the Chiefs.
with the last shot of this third quarter. Kamay. 9 seconds for Kamay. Nanginginom pick, gives it to Hernal. Now Obiera from the corner. No good. And LPU will not have a chance na makatira pa. And after 3 quarters, Arellano Chiefs leading here against LPU Pirates 63-57. Meron pa tayo natitirang isang quarter. Magbabalik tayo dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
This is